Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use keystoning to correct the perspective of this building by using two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. We'll also take a look at just using the verticals or just using the horizontals, and we can see how the building changes its look and perspective as we use those three different settings. If you come over to the left here, you can see that under the Lens tab, we have the Keystone. And while we can adjust these settings manually, my favorite way to use the tool is to come up here and use the Keystone tool visually. So let's start out with a full Keystone and see how that works. So I've picked this line on the left and this line on the right that I'm going to align these circles to. We've got a circle here, one down here, one over here, and one up here. Now I'm also going to use this line here and this line down here for my horizontal alignment. Now I'm going to set them roughly first, and then I'm going to zoom in and fine-tune the settings. So we'll grab this one first, and while we're here, let's just get this one. Come down here to the lower left, and then the lower right. Now I'm going to come over and zoom in, and then I'm going to hold the space key down and get the hand tool, and I'm going to drag up. And I'm going to fine-tune this to that point, fine-tune the one on the right to that point, slide down, do the same thing on the left, align that, and I'm also looking at the horizontal line at the same time. I'm going to zoom out, and those are the locations and lines I'm going to use for this full Keystone. So I'm going to click on the Apply button. And that's what it looks like when we use the full Keystone. So now let's take a look and see what happens if we just use the vertical Keystone. Since they've already been set, we don't have to change anything. Otherwise, we'd want to align the vertical line on the left and the vertical line on the right. In this case, we can just click Apply. And that's what the building looks like with the vertical keystones applied. Now let's change it to the horizontal. Since we've already aligned them previously, all we need to do is click on Apply, and that is what it looks like with the horizontal keystones used. Once we're happy with the final result, we can just click on the arrow key, and there you go. That's how you use the Keystone tool.